going into the mat. If you want to start my favorite rock in the direction of the top foot, so rocking toward the left, then back to neutral, you'll feel it move around to the glute. If the rock is not your thing, take it out. So this class can be used for just about anything. Anytime you just want to recover a little lost length, get some of that tension out, but also, what does this complement lovely as well?
Oh, the Set the Bar program.
Yes!
You can use this stretch at any point. If you are
I'm recording the
bar
YouTube
program that we have out for you. But of course, if you are just finishing the program,
Do you want
this
this
is
to
a part
get
of your
funny
training
on
program.
YouTube?
Okay. I like that for us.
Crossing that top knee over. Now lift the neck and shoulders, grab the ankle, a little precarious at first, and bring everything down toward the earth. We have a little twist, we have a little pull.
Pass the ankle to us.
Alexa, what's the
Otherwise known as the
notification?
pretzel. Combining a little thoracic mobility, a little lumbar mobility, a little hip flexor. Now to really get the hip flexor, you gotta pull that bottom knee farther back and kick through the bottom hip. Nice, rotating up to seated. Whatever knee is crossed is the leg that we're extending. Come and join us. Top leg is extended out, hips are square, facing forward and gently folding forward over that straight leg. Foot can be flexed or relaxed, whatever works for you. A little bend in the knee is also completely fine. The one thing I want you to concentrate on is not rounding the spine here, but instead think pushing up and out, bringing the belly button towards the thigh. So we're extending that upper body, dropping the chin. You have a couple breaths here. You have time. As the shoulders and the hips are facing the leg, we're now going to shift it from straight ahead, that square position, to turned out and reaching over and getting into the side body. All right, open it up. From this figure four, we open it into arrow. All right. Arm goes up and over. The bottom arm can be behind the leg. It could be resting on it. It could be crossing. How's your side body stretch? Can you reach your foot and then just pull over? I can't. Like, some people are like, this is not my angle. I need a strap to do this and drive.
Yeah.
But
I can do that.
No, me too. But I feel it deeply in that lateral flexion here. Intercostal muscles opening up.
every little bit of my rib cage. If you want, you can extend farther by lifting the hip up. Keep the hand there in your mind, if only, and then drag the hip toward the ground.
It's currently raining. Don't know what degrees it could be.
Lift it up. Keep the hand there, and then hip goes toward the ground. Final breath here. Opening the other leg. Ladouche forever. Legs are straight, straddle, stretch forward.
That's what we
Maybe
do
just
in
sitting in it is enough. You
Yeah,
can
I think
also
so.
sit on a yoga block or a rolled up mat.
You get your elbows on the floor.
Elbows can go down.
Oh
Continue
my
to
God.
extend the back of the
Can you
neck.
push me down? No?
Allie is
Just
going to
follow that
demonstrate
roll.
full straddle split pancake.
Tell me if I'm hurting.
That's you, Hanny. Hanny's a little bit more flexible
I
than
can do that.
us here at Peloton.
I can do
So
that.
you'll notice our
It's
ability to
easy.
go a little deeper into the step.
This
No
part.
judgment,
I'm
just
holding
straight
my
to
This
that.
part.
Straight to
Put your
that.
elbows down. And then wiggle them forward like that. Does you do that?
Do what?
It's an aggressive choice.
I can do that. Whoa.
Yeah.
And what?
The final two breaths here. So that set the bar that we mentioned. Some of you are coming in from the program, some of you aren't. It is Peloton's first bar program on demand and waiting for you. It's a 4-week program. It's pretty awesome. All right, we're going to turn around so you can see us best. Opposite leg is extended out, and let's do that side body stretch. Other leg is extended, arm goes up and over. That bottom leg can be wherever is comfortable. If you want to reach forward, if you want to reach out, elbow down.
program that we alternate leading a practice, like a workout, when we do our 2-for-1s. So you'll notice in the 30-minute, I take the lead. In the 60-minute, Hannah takes the lead.
In the warm-up, you take the lead.
In the cool-down, you take the stretch, you take the lead. So yeah, you'll notice that we'll have someone leading the instruction the entire time. And then the other instructor is offering progressions, modifications, encouragement, laughs.
Witchy banter. All right, squaring off the hips and going into that single side hamstring stretch. Leg could be straight or have a little bend in it. Whatever works for you, as long as we're going for the hammy. Now, if you flex the foot, for me, it goes pure calf. But my calves are really, really tight. But if whatever works for you, just know that there are options here. So I tend to relax my foot because my calves are so tight. I can't even get to my hamstring if I flex my foot. They're that tight.
So when you release your foot, you can feel your hamstring stretch.
When I go to here, I don't even feel the hamstrings anymore. I only feel like
When I go
calf.
here,
Yeah.
I don't feel anything. I have to.
Fascinating.
Now I feel my literally entire posterior chain of my leg. I can feel my hand all the way up to my system.
Oh, wow.
Hamstring, calf.
Yeah. Okay.
I don't know. I can't.
Yeah, I get that. I think about driving my sits bones back. So if you were going like, whee, like thinking sits bones back and then belly button to the spine. But yeah, I mean, it's just like rotate the leg, move the foot, see what works for you. All right, my friends, let's go into the second side glute. Back on to the back. Top foot is flexed just to protect the ankle. If it feels fine without the flex, by all means. Same thing here, thinking about the sits bones going down toward the mat. If you want to start that rock, great choice. I like to do this glute stretch sometimes with this foot on a wall and then scooching my buns in so that I don't even have to hold anything. So if you have a wall near you, you can always do that. I could use a friend. Second side, twist and grab. All right, top leg crosses across the body. Hold on to it with the opposite arm. Head, neck, and shoulders come up to the ankle, and then everything releases down. That bottom knee is going to want to go forward to avoid the stretch, but kick it back. There we go. Getting into the hip flexors a little bit more. Remember, hip flexors are not just the front of the hip or with the quad. Anything that is responsible for bringing the knee toward the chest, flexing it upwards. It's important that we release them not just for set the bar, but if you cycle with us, if you're pushing your climb with well, it's all the same movement anytime you lift those knees up and forward. Final 2 breaths here. Let's sit on our shins to prep for this next stretch. We'll do one side then the other, but you can also do both. So patting yourself on the back. You can mirror us if you want, whatever works for you. This elbow goes onto the mat, and instead of child's pose, buns go up in the air, so they're not on the heels right now. So walk the hand out or walk the knee back, whatever works, but buns up. Armpit is open, hand is flat, going down toward the lower back right now. And start to just gently rotate the torso. Maybe it's 10 degrees in one direction, 10 degrees in the other. Just see where it feels best. Couple more breaths here, continuing to really breathe into the stretch, to release and unwind into that new state of calm. Let's do the other side. Pat yourself on the back, elbow comes down, forehead releases, armpit opens. The opposite arm is just wherever is comfortable. I tend to put my forearm down just for a little bit of support. Start that gentle rotation. Keep being gentle. We're leading the breath for all of this. Final couple of breaths here. For 3, 2, 1. Thank you so much for joining us for a little 10-minute full body stretch. I hope that you feel as fabulous as we know that you are.
Thank you.